Here's the door. He wants to change that. Here's the before. As you see, it's 8x8 door. Doesn't have any framing, no nothing. We took the measurements. As you see, here's the door. No framing, no nothing. Very high ceiling, as you see. Here is the door. We just picked it up. Here's all the wood for us to build the frame for the customer. Here we are. We just finished with the door. We're gonna install now the molding. As you see, there's no molding right now. We just finished putting the molding. We are again in East Elmhurst, New York. We start working the other door. As you see, here's the trucks. Here we just finished with the other door. Finish installing that. You see, here we're done with the job in East Elmhurst. As you see, both doors put together. Everything is okay, no problem, no issues whatsoever. Garage Door Pro, Long Island, 917-436-0006. How you doing, sir? How you like the job?
So far so good. I'm satisfied with what I see. You know, these two doors, especially when the height of this door wasn't, you know, as part of the door, so they fixed it with extra. So all I have to do is color it to white.
Beautiful. But so far you happy? You like the job?
Yeah.
You did a good job?
Yep.
All right.
Thank you.
Thumbs up.